Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. Hope you fine. Yes. Today our topic previous dark tower and the golden eye, and I think we should at the end the summary of lessons or some questions. Okay, students. So let's start. Mars, just like Mars wears Earth, and differentiate Mars and Earth. And is a life on a Mars? And where is some major points difference in Mars and Earth? So I lightning. Mars is much colder. Mars is much colder than our Earth. Mars is also known as a red planet or an orange planet. Before this lectures, I exploring in the some points of Mars. Okay, students. I hope you will see my video exploring of Mars. Students, so please see my video exploring. Who's not seeing my video Mars? Okay, it's exploring for information. So let's next point, coming to the point. Yes, Mars is also known as a red planet or an orange planet, and because it's covered soil, rock and dust made from iron oxide, which gives a surface red or orange rusty color. Mars has thin atmosphere made from 95.9% carbon dioxide and 27% nitrogen and 1.6% argon and 0.13% oxygen. That's not thick to enough to trap the sun heat, and its temperature 100 degrees C in a winter and 20 degree Fahrenheit in a summer. And recently its temperature surged in 80 degrees C in a winter. And Mars has water, but its surface is largely dry, and its surface covered with rock and dust. And its surface covered with rock and dust. And the Mars size, what's a Mars size? It makes a question, what's a Mars size? And what's orbit or tell orbit of Mars, its moons and its size. Briefing shortly. Briefing. Okay, students. So Mars is roughly half size of Earth. Gravity one-third of gravity of Earth, and the diameter 4217, and the Mars orbit periods are here. Mars orbit twice as long as Earth at 687 days around the Sun. While there are similar surface features and Mars moons, it's the fifth largest moon. And now we coming on the Earth. Okay, student, and we are on the Earth. Imagination, we were on the Mars, but now we are on the Earth. Okay, and our size. Earth is much larger, warmer, higher, heavier, and Mars than a Mars. So Mars is a colder and Earth is a warmer, and Mars is a smaller and Earth is a larger, much larger than a Mars. Earth is larger in diameter, volume, and mass. Earth could hold just 6 Mars in its volume. Earth is primarily covered in a water. It's covered with 70-degree liquid water. And Earth has one moon and 78-degree nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% argon. Okay. And there are similarity in Mars and Earth. Just like the Earth and Mars days are same, the length of Mars and Earth are same days. Okay, and Mars and has water, but Earth is in a liquid, but much areas. Okay, but it's some points of similarity, and because our Earth has dusty areas, landed, and but difference in nitrogen, okay. Difference in nitrogen, oxygen, and argon. And as you know, at the upper passage, okay, students, and now at this end, in this unit, the writer want to convey his message for a human that war is a great evil for all the worlds or all peoples, because he want to in a peaceful lesson. Okay, because writer wants to give a peaceful message, and in a lesson the Mr. Bittring and his families are very disturbed and worried for a earth war. So the story gives us a shining message for all of us that we should live in a peaceful way and don't we or avoid to war. Okay, and we wind up this lecture. Okay, students, see you.